Om Swastiastu, hello! I was so happy to present two truly heritage Balinese dishes at this year's Ubud Food Festival. Such a delightful audience. We prepare pesan bepaseh and jajak lepon gianyar. Everyone was so kind to say how delicious it all was. Thank you to Ibu Janet for her kind invitation and for my happy audience for coming. For more information on how you can join me for your own private cooking class, please contact me via my email novibalikitchen@gmail.com. Matur suksena!